So it's late here and I'm just trying to get the this video done from the other day, and it was one of those days where everything looked right. Everything about the day was perfect. Overcast, rainy, temperature was good. It wasn't terribly windy, but kind of. And had some friends out earlier that caught fish, so it was all looking promising. And just missed some and had all kinds of mishaps, and the rain was really coming down. And it was memorable, but not for the right reasons, but just for those reasons that test you as a fisherman, where not every day is going to be that trophy fish or even a fish. So I think you can all probably attest to those days. And so, yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this. When you are catching fish and when you're not, just know that you're not alone. We all have those days. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Not catching anything, pouring rain. Thankfully it's not too cold, but this is not what I had envisioned here. They are about as interested in eating as I am in being here in the pouring rain. Yep, it's pouring. You just missed it. Took a thing, didn't it? What happened? Oh, broke it right off. Damn, that was a good fish. Just gotta fix this all up again. This is not going to be an easy tie. That was a beautiful brown. Beautiful brown. Missed it.